Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Standard 10, lesson number 2, location and extent. In this chapter, there is a comparatively study of Brazil and India. When we study any region, we usually start its location and extent of that region. So, in second chapter deals with location and extent of Brazil and India. In order to understand these, there are two maps. So, in this chapter, we will study what is the location of Brazil and what is the location of India in the world. Before that, let's see how the location is determined in the world. So, you can see in the picture, we are having a vertical imaginary lines. These are called longitudes or meridians, and horizontal lines are called latitudes. So the world is divided into 360-degree longitudes line and 180-degree latitudes line. 0-degree latitude is called equator. Above the equator we are having 90-degree and below the equator we are having 90-degree. So above the equator we have 90-degree north and below the equator we have 90-degree south. Equator bisects the entire earth into two equal parts horizontally. There is another imaginary vertical line which is a prime meridian. Even the prime meridian also divides the earth into two equal halves vertically. This prime meridian line is 0-degree meridian. In total, we are having 360-degree meridians. So, from 0 degree in western side, we are having 180 degree and in eastern side, we are having 180 degree. So, total is 360-degree meridians. In order to understand these, there are two maps. Now, look at this first map that is on your screen. This map shows India in political sense. There are different states in India along with neighbors. India is located above the equator. So, India is located into northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. It is located in the south part of the Asian continent. Now you will find the latitudinal extents of India in south. It starts from 8 degree. There is latitude of 8 degree just touching the south tip of India. So India's extent is from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes and between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. This is the mainland extent of India. India is sharing boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Indonesia. So this is about location of India. We have studied about India in previous classes. You know that the New Delhi is the capital of India. Let us shift to Brazil now. Brazil is something new to you. And because we have studied India, we know many things about India. But Brazil, that will not be the case. So look at the map on your screen now. This map shows many things. The first foremost things you have to identify is that the equator is passing through Brazil. That is 0-degree latitude is passing through Brazil. You will find that some part of Brazil is in northern hemisphere and large part of Brazil is in southern hemisphere. So Brazil is divided between northern and southern hemisphere. Therefore, latitude extent of Brazil will be from northern latitudes to the southern part of Brazil. Is also in the western hemisphere. So latitudinal extent will have west in both the cases. Brazil's extent is from 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 45 minute south latitudes and between 34 degree 45 minute west to 73 degree 48 minute west longitudes. This is the mainland extent location of Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Venezuela, Colombia, Guyana, French Guiana, Peru, Bolivia, Argentina, Uruguay, and other countries are the neighboring country of Brazil. So this is how we have compared India and Brazil extent wise. Now, it is not sufficient to study about extent, but we should also discuss about the historical part of both of these countries. As you know, India was ruled by colonial British for 150 years. Then we became independent in 1947. You know about this. But Brazil was ruled by the other European country, Portuguese. The Portuguese ruled by Brazil for 300 years. So they were under colonial rules for 3 full centuries. But they became independent much before India. Brazil gained its independence in 1822. Now, both of these countries, India and Brazil, ruled by Europeans for so many years, so it is easy to understand. And that is why experts of the book must have chosen Brazil to be compared with India. I hope you understood the topic. So please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.